So in this video, we are going to learn how to construct a rectangle in which one of the diagonals divides the opposite angles into 75 degree and 15 degree. This can be anything, like they can also give you 30 degree and 60 degree. So first I will tell you the steps what we are going to do. This I am doing just for explanation. You do not have to draw it when you are constructing. Okay. So first we will draw the base segment. Then we draw a perpendicular line. Okay. Then we will keep the protractor over here and we'll mark. You can either mark 75 degree or 15 degree, anything, like, because if this is the angle and you are dividing it, okay, so this can be 30, this can be 60, or this can be 60 and this can be 30 as well. So you can take anything. So I will be taking 75 degree over here. So you take an angle of 75 degree and you draw a big line. This is 75 degree. Then you draw a perpendicular line over here, long line. Okay. So this will be 15 degree. This 15 plus 75 gives us 90 degree. So then you mark this point. You take it, this measurement in your compass, draw an arc over here and join these 2 points. So this is how we have to construct a rectangle in which the diagonals divide the opposite angles into certain angles. Okay, so first I will draw a rough sketch of the rough diagram of the construction that we are going to make. This is a rough diagram, so it does not have to exactly look like what you're going to construct. It's like basically what is the idea behind the construction that we have to draw, that our construction needs to look somewhat like this. So this is the now we are going to do the construction. I am going to take around 5 centimeter. This is a line segment of 5 centimeter. Then I'll draw a perpendicular line, straight line. And 75 degree is going to go long. So for convenience now I am drawing 15 degree. If you want to draw 75 degrees angle like this, then just ensure you start a little like niche se, from the bottom of the page, because see, if we try to draw 75 degree, it goes till here, so it will intersect somewhat here. Okay, so I am drawing 15 degree angle first. This is 10, this is 15. Join this point and this. Done. And I'll measure 90 degree over here. Then now I take the measurement of this. And just check once or twice whether it is actually correct. Then you keep it over here on this point and draw an arc. Now mark this point and then join both of these. Okay, so now this is 15 degree, this is 75 degree. A, B, C, D, and one change over here you have to make in the rough diagram. So once we will check whether this is actually 15 degrees and 75 degrees. And this is 15 degree. I'll keep. And this is exactly 75 degrees. So this is how you have to construct a rectangle in which one of the diagonals divides the opposite angles into 75 degree and 15 degree. Now if it is told to you in school to write the measurements, then you can just measure and write. Dosto, we have taken 5 centimeter. This is around 1.4 centimeter. Yes, 1.4 centimeter, and the diagonal is 5.2 centimeter. So you can just mention if it is told to mention according to your school. Thank you.